Welcome to Eben May Learning Hub, Part 2, Elementary Level. Can you name these classroom objects? Pencil case. Pencil case. Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Blackboard. Blackboard. Whiteboard. Whiteboard.
White chalk. White chalk. Colored chalk. Colored chalk.
Whiteboard marker. Whiteboard marker. It is time to play a game. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Blackboard. What is this? Pencil sharpener. What are these?
White chalk.
That was great.
Next.
Paint. Paint.
Paintbrushes. Paintbrushes.
Globe. Globe. World map. World map. Calculator. Calculator. Clipboard. Clipboard. Bulletin board. Bulletin board. Dustbin. Dustbin.
Good job.
Now, can you name these classroom objects? What are these?
Paintbrushes.
What is this? Clipboard. What are these?
Colored chalk.
What is this? Calculator. What is this? Whiteboard marker. What is this? Dustbin. The end of Part 2. Like, subscribe and watch out for Part 3.